Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Wednesday, August 3rd, and these are your data highlights. Robinhood announced it is eliminating almost a quarter of its workforce and shutting offices after a punishing first year as a public company. The app-based brokerage dismissed 780 people, or about 23% of staff, and also announced the departure of Chief Product Officer Aparna Chennapragada. The move, which follows an earlier headcount reduction in April when Robinhood eliminated about 9% of its staff, brings the total number of employees dismissed this year to more than 1,000. CEO Vlad Tenev said the reality of it was, we overhired. Robinhood also reported second quarter results yesterday, a day ahead of schedule, saying its net loss for the period was $295 million, or 34 cents a share. Net revenue tumbled 44% from a year earlier to $318 million, and the stock has lost more than 3/4 of its value since the IPO. Short interest has actually been declining in recent months and currently stands at 42.6 million shares, or 8.8% of free float. Starbucks shares rose in pre-market trading following their quarterly results yesterday, as a strong US performance and higher prices helped to offset lower traffic and sluggishness in China, where COVID-19 measures have sharply suppressed demand. The results reinforce the message seen in recent reports from McDonald's and Chipotle. Americans are still opening up their wallets to eat out, even if inflation is starting to erode purchasing power. Sales of $8.15 billion came in slightly above expectations. The cost per order also rose 6%, but comparable transactions fell 3%. This shows that higher prices are making up for a lower volume of sales. The Chinese market remains a source of uncertainty. On and off pandemic rules have restricted mobility in major cities, and comparable sales in the country fell 44% during the quarter. That's deeper than the 39% drop expected by analysts. ORTEX analyst data shows Nick Satan at Wedbush has adjusted his target price upwards in response to the report. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.